Now, following Daniel Kinahan's arrest in Dubai, it's thought he may likely be held inside the Awir Central prison complex, a place that has been previously described as the Dubai version of Alcatraz.
I think very far from the luxury and high life that I think Daniel Kinahan particularly would have been used to over the last few years. It's 45 minutes door to door from the five-star resort where he spent his last hours before being arrested on Friday. This prison is in the middle of the desert. You have to drive through the skyscrapers, the luxury storefronts of Dubai to get here. There's multiple reports of very poor conditions, particularly overcrowding. Once you arrive in the prison and you're being transported to the prison, you'll likely be handcuffed. Sometimes your legs will be shackled and chained. And male inmates, so inmates like Daniel Kinahan, would likely have their heads shaved once they arrive. While they will be granted a mattress, a pillow, a blanket, they are warned that this could take some time to arrive. A former inmate described 15 to 20 people in a cell with just 3 sets of bunk beds. Others have described, really cold temperatures based on the level of air conditioning.
Yeah, I think people would be really surprised to hear that. So they turned the air conditioning right down to make it a freezing cold environment.
One woman who had been detained there for 3 months, she said if being in prison doesn't break you, the temperature inside the prison will.
Are there issues around violence?
Yes, people have described really quite traumatizing experiences, not only having to endure particular levels of violence in the prison, but also having to witness it being done to others, whether it's by other inmates or whether it's by prison guards. One account from a British national, Carl Williams, he described being electrocuted with an electric cattle prod by authorities, witnessing stabbings in the prison. His accounts, which are described in a very detailed memoir, have been rejected by the Emirati authorities.
Listeners say, good to hear, jail shouldn't be a holiday. And another, is this not the way a prison should be? If there's a fear of getting locked up, you'll be less willing to do the crime.